Hello student, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Hareen from Delhi University Department of Zoology. Today we are going to discuss about module NK and NKT cells, function and mucosal immunity part 2nd. In this module only I am discussing about NKT cells, function and mucosal immunity under paper immunology. After studying this module, you shall be able to number first, learn about the mucosal immunity. Number second, understand the importance of B cell associated mucosal immunity. Number third, evaluate the role of lysoenzyme in mucosal immunity, especially in GI. Number fourth, learn about NK cells in mucosal defense, its development, migration, homing and mucosal sites. Evaluate the NK cells role in pulmonary infection, female reproductive tract and gut mucosal immunity. Learn about NKT cells function in mucosal immunity and its development, differentiation and activation. Understand the importance of NKT cells in pulmonary immunity and intestinal immunity. Both specific and non-specific components of host protection from various infections lead to a state called immunity. The innate immunity is the non-specific component and considered as first line of host defense, while the adaptive immunity is a specific component which characteristic property of memory. The non-specific innate immunity consists of defense barrier which can be anatomical, physiological or inflammatory in nature. Effective and first barrier to resist the entrance of most organisms are anatomical and physical. Among anatomical barrier, mucous membrane and skin prevents the penetration of exogenous microorganism. Mucus in a viscous fluid secrete from the epithelial cells of membrane linings which entrap pathogens. Cilia are present in the mucous membrane which help in propelling the pathogens competing with the natural microbes of the body for nutrients and site of attachment. Mucous membrane is the major site of external microorganism invasion. Mast cells, granulocytes, macrophages, and lymphocytes are residing in various regions within the mucous membrane lining tissues. Intraepithelial lymphocytes are present in the epithelial mucosal layer. Mucosal immunity. Lymphoid tissues in lamina propria of lungs, intestinal wall and other mucosal sites comprised of population of macrophages and lymphocytes. Malt or mucosal associated lymphoid tissues are less arranged and found at various sites of the host body. Malts are associated in the intestinal lamina propria, upper airways, genital tract, bronchi and lungs mucous membrane lining which provide protection against various viruses, bacteria and parasitic infections. Majority of lymphocytes are B cells and T cells along with activated Th cell and macrophages lining in lamina propria. All these functioning immune cells at the mucosal site resist against infection and constitute the mucosal immunity of host immune system. B lymphocytes IgA assisted mucosal immunity. An effective immunity of mucosa is dependent on B lymphocytes assisted humoral response. IgA is an immunoglobulin molecule synthesized in the mucosal immunity. IgA antibody has to be transported to the respiratory tract mucosal surface, urogenital or gastrointestinal mucosal surface through the epithelial layer which is dependent on secretory component or poly-Ig receptors present on the epithelial layer of these tissues. These secretory components are specific for the Fc region of IgA antibody molecule. When IgA molecules bind with the poly-Ig receptors present on the epithelial layer, vascular transport enables the export of these IgA bounded secretory component complex through the cell to the mucosal membrane. Poly Ig receptors get partially cleaved by the proteolysis activity from the IgA molecules, and these immunoglobulin molecules, when secreted from the mucosal membrane, are able to neutralize antigens. Lysoenzyme in mucosal immunity. Lysoenzymes were discovered in 1922, and the studies suggested the antibacterial action of lysoenzymes. Mucosal membrane of body secretes lysoenzymes, and these enzymes are found in the digestive system, saliva, mother milks, tears, and reproductive organs. In the mucosal immunity, lysoenzymes are critically important proteins showing the bacterial activity. The mucous membrane of these tissues, which are majorly exposed to microorganisms, consist of lysoenzymes protecting the host against infection. Effective and potential antimicrobial activity is contributed by lysoenzymes secreted from the mucous membrane. Lysoenzyme attack the carbohydrate made protective layer on bacterial surface, thereby destroying the cell wall structural integrity and ultimately burst the bacterial cell wall. Gastrointestinal Ig protecting role of lysoenzymes. Lysoenzyme improve the health of GI tract by competing with pathogenic microbes and resisting their co-localization in the GI tract, leading to the clearance of infectious bacteria. Lysoenzymes exhibit bactericidal activity, causing autolysis and apoptosis of the invaded bacteria. Lysoenzyme also stimulate other immune cells in the mucosa membrane to further provide protection against viral and bacterial infections. The potential activated immune cells are IgA, AMPS, etc. NK cell in mucosal immunity. Recent publication revealed the reclassification of innate immune cell into a large group based on the diversity of functions performed and development, which termed as ILCS, that is innate lymphoid cells. Natural killer or null cells are first line of host defense system, which is non-specific but still acts potentially against virus infection and tumor growth or cancer. These are large granular lymphocytes sharing common origin from lymphoid progenitor, but they do not express antibody molecules bound to their membrane, and TCRS like B cells and T cells, and do not undergo gene rearrangement of antigen receptors like other lymphocytes. They are broadly categorized into three major groups: group 1, 2, and 3. The grouping system of innate lymphoid cells are based on the regulation of transcription factors and functionalities of different cell type development. A conventional NK or null cell belongs to group first of innate lymphoid cells. NK cells secrete broad range of cytokines such as IFN, gamma, and other cytolytic in nature. NK cells bind with the infected tumor cell through KIR molecules on human NK cell surface, and activated NK cell causes lysis or apoptosis of aberrant cells. NK cells play different but vital role in maintaining the homeostasis of immune system, protection of modulation of immunological memory by activating other immune cells, hence provide long-term immunity. NK cells reside in many tissues of host including blood, bone marrow, thymus, liver, and spleen. NK cells are also harbored at the mucosal site, such as intestine, lungs, colon, the ureterus, vagina of female, etc. We will be addressing only group first of innate lymphoid cells, that is conventional NK cells, in this chapter. NK cell development. Hematopoietic stem cells differentials can lead different developmental stages of human NK cells through common lymphoid progenitor. There are 5 development stages. At each stage, these cells acquired the expression of different cell surface marker. At stage 4, the cells are considered as immature NK cells as they express bright CD56 and high level of cytokine, but they are still CD16 negative. At the developmental stage of 5, they become CD16 positive with dim CD56 with high catalytic and cytokine production, therefore considered as mature NK cells. Migration of NK cells to mucosal sites. Blood, bone marrow, peripheral, non-lymphoid and secondary lymphoid organ are the residential sites of NK cells. Majority of human NK cells are immature with CD16 negative and bright CD56 expression in lymph nodes, while in lungs, gut and other non-lymphoid organs, morphologically different NK cells resides differentiate on the basis of development and function. Once NK cells completes their developmental stages and exit bone marrow, they can either enter the blood or escape to secondary lymphoid structures. Models of NK cell developments suggested that a mixture of mature and immature NK cells emerged from the bone marrow. Immature cell acquired tissue-specific phenotype and a mature cell under the influence of tissue microenvironment, growth factors, cytokines, gets modified. The process of migration of NK cells from bone marrow to residence establishment in specific tissue is unclear. Recruitment of NK cells to mucosal tissues is the initial step towards its mechanistic studies. Mucosal site homing by the NK cells. NK cells employ different chemokines receptors such as CCR5, CCR2, CCR7, CXCR1 and CX3CR1. Additional factors include chemimerine, SIP5 family members, etc. NK cells role in pulmonary infection. Human NK cells play an essential role in protecting mucosa from infections. On pathogen-assisted stimulation, NK cells are recruited at the site of infection and produced TNF-alpha and IFN-gamma and cytolytic activity. NK cells can respond to diverse pathogens in different mucosal tissues side by the activating signals such as IL-15, LY49H, etc. and production of milieu of cytokines. NK cells are recruited to inflamed tissues on fungal, bacterial, parasitic or viral infection. Once NK cells are stimulated, they act as first line of host immune defense, thereby preventing the spread of infection. NK cells do not require any cellular interaction or specific signal for migration into lymphoid organs. NK cells, after completing or partially completing their developmental stages, give rise to a mixture of mature and immature NK cells in bone marrow. Through bloodstream migrates to the lungs where they exhibit CD16 positive and dim CD56 expressions, indicating mature phenotype of conventional NK cells. NK cell function and development are influenced by lungs microbial environment. Dendritic cells of lungs located in the lamina propria gets stimulated after pathogen encounter and produce cytokines. These cells, especially dendritic cells, activated NK cells by binding human KIR molecules of NK cell surface and ultimately lyse the target cells by the secretion of cytokines. Example IL-17, IF, and gamma and Graves enzymes we can explain in figure number 1. Showing the figure number 1 diagram illustrating the role of NK cell in lung mucosa. We already discussed in earlier slide. A major site of entrance for bacteria, fungus, virus and other infectious agents is lung, and hence largest counts of group first innate lymphoid cells are present in lungs. Humans are more susceptible to lung infection on NK cells deficiency. Viral infection is very common through airways such as influenza virus, herpes, SARS and RSV. Seasonal and pandemic H1N1 influenza infection is controlled by the early response and cytolytic activity of NK cells through cytokines and IFN gamma production. Directly through natural cytotoxicity receptor NKp46 binding to surface molecules of influenza virus, hemagglutinin HA, or indirectly through ADCC mediated or antibody dependent NK cells cytolytic activity is a response to influenza virus infection. In addition to this, the response of NK cells to infection in lungs suggested the role of IL-12, IL-15, IFN alpha and IFN gamma cytokines. IL-15 along with IFN gamma and IL-12 activates NK cells in lungs against endogenous bacterial infection via Streptococcus aureus, which is a gram-positive bacterium. Cytolytic activity with the production of IFN gamma helps NK cells in early immunity and control of aspergillosis and Cryptococcus neoformans infection. Several bacterial infections such as Calibacillia pneumonia, Streptococcus aureus and Legionella can be controlled by the NK cells production of IFN gamma. IL-22 is an important cytokine produced by NK cells to control Calibacillia infection. IL-12, IFN gamma and IFN alpha beta are vital cytokines for inhibition of Mycobacterium tuberculosis (MTB) growth and restriction of infiltration of macrophages into lungs, which are produced by NK cells in response to MTB infection. Female reproductive tract and NK cells. Immature NK cells interacts with the dendritic cells of gut and female reproductive tract, and immature cells homing are allowed to correct tissues by labeling the tissue's address to these immature NK cells, such as homing to gut requires alpha 4 beta 7 CCR9. Rest of the process of NK cells function is similar to that studied in lung mucosa. Enhanced response of NK cells and higher expression of IFN gamma levels maybe leads to loss of pregnancy. Gut mucosal infection and NK cells. Gut infection through Yersinia enterolytica and Citrobacter rodentum can be controlled by NK cell assisted IFN gamma production. Toxoplasma gondii leads to IL-6 dependent IL-17 production by the NK cell of gut mucosa. In the intraepithelial lymphocyte, NK cells mediated IL-22 and IL-17 production through the interacting gut mucosal dendritic cells, which are CD103 positive, can control early infection of HIV in humans. These NK cells residing in gut mucosa can potentially provide protection against infection which are orally acquired. NKT cells in mucosal immunity. Host interacts with its external environment with the help of mucosal surface, example airways surface for gaseous exchange, gut and intestinal surface for essential nutrient uptake. These surfaces also act as first line of defense, including the physiological and anatomical barrier against pathogens. Innate immune response include the secretion of deficins from the epithelial cells of mucosal tissues. Mucosal associated antigen presenting cell, example dendritic cell, represent scavenger receptor and PARP pathogen associated molecular pattern and modulates to recognized pathogens. Beside dendritic cells also activate the T cell mediated adaptive immune response and humoral immune response through B cell mediated IgA responses. A broad range of cytokines are produced from these innate or adaptive lymphocytes, resulting in enhanced immune response. Innate lymphoid cell and natural killer T cells are hence critical for the generation of mucosal immunity against pathogens. A minor subset of T cells represent natural killer T cells sharing some common surface marker with NK cells and T cells. Similarly to T lymphocytes, NKT cells mature in primary lymphoid thymus tissues and mainly found in bone marrow, liver and spleen. Among intraepithelial lymphocyte, invariant iNKT and variant natural killer T cells are abundantly found residing in intestine, while mucosal NKT, mNKT mainly within the lamina propria of lungs. NKT cells represent T cell receptor on its surface which bind to class first MHC like molecule CD1D on antigen presenting cells. Mucosal immunity in various mucous membranes lining tissues are controlled by the activation of NKT cells via CD1D representing APCS. Development and differentiation of NKTs. The sub-lineages of NKT cells include conserved transcription factors such as GATA3, TBET, and ROR gamma T, PLZF, promyelocytic leukemia zinc finger is a transcriptional factor which defines the developmental lineage of NKT cells. Various development stages leads to the development and maturation of NKT cells in thymus tissues. Different development stages express different surface molecules and distinct transcriptional factors leading to Th1, Th2, and Th17 differentiated polarized subsets of NKT population. Activation of peripheral NKT cells. A activated natural killer T cell secrete a broad range of cytokines such as Th17, Th1, Th2, and TGF beta, IL-2, and IL-10 respectively. Among a group of innate lymphoid cells and myeloid cells, only NKT cells respond to type 1st IFN other than IL-33, IL-23, IL-1, IL-18, and IL-12. In the peripheral lymph nodes, NKTs produce IL-17 as a result of IL-23 and IL-1 production by dendritic cells. NKT cells can be stimulated by the interaction of their surface molecules TCRS with the glycolipids presented by the class first MHC molecule bearing antigen presenting cells. Those NKT cells which are stimulated by the glycolipids provide different immune response than those NKT cells activated by the cytokine production of other immune cells. Role of NKT cells in pulmonary immunity. Mucosal sites are populated with innate like T cell NKT as a result of continuous exposure to antigens. NKT cells play a dual role in modulating immune response and inflammatory responses. Asthma is a complex disease with a disabled inflammatory respiratory function, and its most common form is allergy asthma. Non-allergic and allergic asthma is characterized by common features of disease such as airway hypersensitivity (AHR), Infiltration of eosinophils, enhanced IgE level, Th2, polarized response and mucus hypertension. COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is characterized by airway limitation as a result of chronic inflammation. Researchers revealed the increased number of NKT cells, whether invariant or variant type, in lungs of patients with COPD. On infection with Sendai virus, independent of adaptive immune response, NKT cells leads to macrophage assisted IL-13 cytokine production, which further result in the stimulation of mucus production and AHR. NKT cells have defensive role in protecting lungs from respiratory infections. Pulmonary NKT cells help in antigen clearance based on the activation of dendritic cells and further stimulation of cytotoxic CD8 positive T lymphocytes and NK cells. For instance, in RSV, respiratory syncytial virus infection, pulmonary NKT cells leads to clearance of infection through alpha glacier activation of antiviral T cells and then other immune cells. On influenza virus infection, more specifically IAV, influenza A virus mediated pulmonary disease, CD1D dependent NKT cells activation leads to adaptive immune responses. On H3N2 influenza virus infection, NKT mediated IL-22 and IFN gamma production and specific adaptive CD8 positive T lymphocytes are promoted, which protects against influenza virus infection. iNKT cells produce IL-17 and IL-22 abundantly in lung mucosal membrane on alpha glacier stimulation. Mucosal membrane, when infected with virus, production of IL-33 cytokines in abundance along with IFN gamma and TNF alpha production leads to stimulation of mNKT cells. On activation, these natural killer T cells leads to the production of IL-22, IL-13, TNF alpha and perforins for the clearance of interacting agent. Antigen presenting cells stimulates CD8 positive T cell directly through the secretion of cytokines like IL-12, IL-4 and IL-13 and NKT cells via IL-12 cytokine production. NKT cells, macrophages, and stimulated adaptive immune cells, CD8 positive T cells secrete IL-13 cytokine, which leads to the polarization of macrophages, AHR, etc. at the site of infection within lamina propria of lungs. We can explain in figure number 2. Showing figure number 2, which was already discussed, diagram illustrating various immune cells type within lamina propria of lung mucosa. NKT mediated IFN gamma and IL-17 cytokine production and invasion of neutrophils and other lymphocytes lead to clearance of S. pneumonia. A plethora of publications reveal the role of NKT cell mediated clearance of mycobacterium infection. mNKT cells provide protection against MTB and other mycobacterium infection in an IFN gamma dependent pathway. mNKT cells are activated by alpha malcyr glycolipid unlike alpha glacier by iNKTs which via MR1 molecules bind to the V alpha 19 7.2I on the mNKT surface. Conventional invariant NKT interact to CD1D presented alpha glacier glycolipids on APCS via V alpha 14 24I receptor. Activation of iNKT cells relies on IL-12 and IL-18 cytokine production. Even in the absence of TCR activation, virus and bacteria induce the robust IL-12 response by APCS. iNKT cells produce IL-17 and IL-22 in abundance amount in the lung mucosa membrane on alpha glacier stimulation. Antigen presenting cell represent toll-like receptor TLR on the surface to recognize PARP on microbial cell wall. The dendritic cells or other antigen presenting cell representing alpha malcere as a glycolipid instead of alpha glacier via MR1 after binding with V alpha 19 7.2I. These mucosal NKTs after bacterial infection gets stimulated to secrete IL-13 to further activated dendritic cells along with the production of IFN gamma, IL-22 and IL-17 further producing Th17 cytokines. We can see in the figure number 3 showing the figure 3 which was already discussed diagram illustrating the interplay of different immune cell in lung mucosa membrane within lamina propria on bacterial infection and role of NKT cells. Intestinal NKT cells. Type 1st NKT cell involve both mucosal associate invariant T cells and invariant NKT cells, while negligible mNKT are there in intestinal tissues. MAITs express T cell receptors with invariant V alpha 19 chain while V alpha 24 chain is expressed in iNKT cells. Few publications suggest that NKT cells are virtually absent in intestinal mucosa membranes, but recent papers revealed the role of mNKT cells in intestinal mucosal immunity. iNKT express T cell receptor which bind with the MR first representing glycolipids. MR first is a class first type MHC molecule and highly conserved in mammalian system. The NKT development is dependent on the bone marrow derived cell expressing MR first. The NKT cells are directed toward the MR first molecule presenting the microbial glycolipids and are therefore especially accumulate in the intestinal lamina propria. CD1D expressing antigen presenting cells can be professional like B cell, macrophages, etc., or non-professional like intestinal epithelial cell presenting antigen to both NKT and other lymphocytes in the intestine. Ligation of CD1 on intestinal epithelial cell control the inflammation and maintain the homeostasis of mucosal tissues. CD1D restricted or MR first restricted NKT cells are activated by glycolipids known as alpha glacier. The CD1D or MR first and alpha glacier forms a complex recognized by the TCR on the surface of NKT cells. The stimulation of antigen presenting cell via toll-like receptor ligand leads to enhanced activity NKT cells to recognize CD1D bounded ligand, thereby secreting higher IFN gamma. Therefore, the role of TCRS and CD1 surface marker of NKT confirm the antimicrobial role of these cells and ensure enhanced mucosal immune response. Also on bacterial infection, the immune cells, especially antigen presenting cells, expressing toll-like receptor and PARP recognizes microorganisms and gets stimulated. On stimulation, these dendritic cells leads to activation of iNKT cells by representing alpha glacier glycolipid through CD1D receptor to V alpha 14 to 24I, that is T cell receptor on iNKT cells. DCS through IL-12 and IL-18 production will further enhance the antimicrobial activity of iNKT cells and also activate adaptive immune cells like CD8 positive and CD4 positive lymphocytes. In return, iNKT cells secrete IL-13, IL-17 and IFN gamma cytokines to activate dendritic cells and to stimulate myeloid lineage related B lymphocytes. Showing figure 4, diagrammatic illustrating the indirect and direct activation of iNKT cells in intestinal mucosa and interplay of other immune cell in modulating bacterial induced immune response. So student, let us summarize what we learned in this module. Many questions still need to be answered regarding the entry, homing of NK cells to specific tissues, regulation of diverse function of NK cells and source of NK cells, precursor, etc. Still group first, innate lymphoid cells are conventional NK cells play an important role in controlling and protecting against several infections including parasite, fungal, bacterial or viral. When we talk about the homing of NK cells in mucosal tissues, we must understand the development stages of NK cells when they gain entry to mucosal tissues. The lamina propria of lung cells represent mature phenotype of NK cells. NK cells in secondary lymphoid tissues when they interact with antigen presenting cells. These APCS employed the address of immature precursor NK cells and programmed them to become tissue specific NK cells such as female reproductive tract or gut mucosal NK cell. During infection with pathogens like virus, parasite or bacteria, NK cells of the mucosal tissue can be control the infection of early stage by the production of IFN gamma. Additional control is provided by the peripheral NK cells, recruitment of expression of resident mucosal NK cells in response to inflammation and production of chemokines, IFN gamma, IL-12, IFN alpha beta. NKT cells are natural killer T cells mainly found in organs such as bone marrow, liver and spleen either in invariant or variant or mucosal NKT state within the lamella propria. PLZE, GATA3, T-BET, ROR, gamma T are the conserved transcriptional factors of NKT developmental lineage. On activation of broad chemokines like TH17, TH1, TGF, beta, IL-10, etc. are secreted at the mucosal reaction site. NKT interaction with the class first MHC-like molecule presented as glycolipids of antigen presenting cell through TCRS on their cell surface. NKT cells also play an important role in disease like asthma, especially allergy, asthma and COPD, which are respiratory or lung associated diseases. NKT cell activates antigen presenting cells and further stimulate adaptive immune cells like CD8 positive T lymphocytes and innate immune cells such as NK cells at the site of mucosal reaction of clear pathogens. NKT cells encounter and help in the clearance of several viruses infecting the lungs. On viral infection at the mucosal site, stimulate NKT cells, interacts and further activates antigen presenting cell through alpha glacier presentation and leads to IL-17, IL-22 and IFN gamma cytokine production. Influenza virus infection can be resisted by NKT cell. Several bacterial infection, example MTB, S. pneumonia, etc. can be cleared through NKT-mediated immune response. NKT cells play an important immunomodulatory role in regulating the immune response on viral or bacterial infection at different mucosal sites. In lung mucosal site, viral infection leads to dendritic cells and NKT cells stimulation and production of cytokines like IL-22, IL-13, perforin and TNF alpha. On other hand, mucosal immunity response against bacterial infection leads to production of cytokines such as IFN, gamma, IL-22, IL-17, TH17, etc. In intestinal mucosal immunity system, IL-12, IL-18, IL-13, IL-17, IFN gamma cytokines are produced as a result of interplay of immune response between different immune cells of both innate and adaptive immunity. Thank you.